Good morning everyone. Well, let me show you my setup first of all for videoing for YouTube. Now this tape I use, it's the white one. You can use it a few times. It's not like the cheap yellow one. Well, it is a cheap one, this white one. So you can like place your paper about there so it's central all round. Then you put your tape on. Then you put your tape on this side and you're all ready for doing your painting or your craft work or whatever you want to do. And what we're doing here, we've got a camcorder just at the back of here. It's about 2 feet away from me, and it's tuned itself into the focus point, as you probably see when I put this. See, I've got a little piece of tape there, so that white paper just rests on it like that there, but it's covered up. It just rests on top of it there, like that. Now you can see that's this is being taken with the camcorder now. Now, supposing you haven't got a camcorder, but you've got a nice camera. Say you have one like this one I have here. See, this is the G85 Lumix, Panasonic Lumix G85. Now, there is various lenses for this camera. There's a Lumix lens and there's a Leica lens. If you're good enough to have a Leica lens, which is very, very expensive, especially 1 watt's a loose one, what you can screw on, they're very expensive. Now this lens here, it's a beautiful little lens, and it's a 14mm Olympus, and it extends out here by holding this. You hold on to this piece here, turn it, and it extends out, and then it's ready for taking pictures. Or I have it here on camcorder M on this wheel here, and now I probably on the one about 5.6 800 ISO and about 1.6 or something like that. I can't remember now, but that's what about it is. So it's quite easy just to set it anyway. It's no problem doing it. So you might find if you've got one of these, you'll enjoy using it. So don't get despondent if you've not got a good camcorder. Now most of these Lumix from this 85 upwards to the 95 and the G9, they have no limit to recording. So it's up to you. You can record as long as you want, as long as it's not too hot. Now I've just turned on the camera, the G85 with the Olympus lens. You can see how good it is. Now I'll just show you a bit of painting and you'll be able to tell that it's quite as good as the camcorder, or even better sometimes. So let's see. If you haven't got a camcorder, it's quite easy to use this. You look at my hands. I'll dry that brush off a bit. Wash it, dry it. Just get a little bit of warmth in it. Touch it now and again where you've got these. Just getting this, can you see, I have to take these bits out. If we do it quick, you'll be able to see how good this camera can be. Just for doing a YouTube video, no problem for you, is it? Now just mixing some yellow with that blue I just put there. Just put that in. Now just dry it off. Don't need to bother about colour when you're doing this sort of work. I'm just putting some brown in here. But I'll get a rough brush in that because it's sometimes better. Okay, so now we're going to mix some dark green if we can, with a bit of brown and a bit of blue. Put a bit of yellow into it. Just have a look how it's looking. I'm doing this as quick as I can. There we are. I'm just showing you, this is using that little camera. Anything I'm putting on really, just Right, now about that, you can hear me talking now. I've not been talking, I'm sorry. Okay, now that's with this little camera. So that shows you can do anything with a little camera, you don't need anything special. Yeah, see. Now there's your painting done with that little camera. So you see, you don't need anything special to do only the painting, of course, but you'll not be doing that. Say you want to do roses or anything, or what you like doing, you ladies. You use this little camera, and might be amazed with the quality of it. So that's what I can give you an idea there of using a camera for your video. There's other cameras as well. I mean, I've done it under 30 minutes, but this camera will go well above 30 minutes. It'll carry on. As long as you've not got sunshine in it and it gets red hot. With any camera it's the same, isn't it? This is on just 25 frames, that's nothing. I've not gone up to, it's not put it at 60 frames high definition, but it's on 25 high definition. That's all it is. It's nothing special. But you see, it does give a very nice finish, doesn't it? I think you'll think that the quality is very good, on par with an high-class camcorder. So there you are, everyone. Thanks for looking in. That's an easy way for you to do some of your paintings and putting them on video on YouTube. So there you are.